guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe. Today I have another special and exciting vlog today for you guys. I'm going to be participating in yet another Kendall Car Meet. Hopefully we'll get some really cool footage of other participants, but overall I really like to document these videos because it's for memories and it's really cool to show the Kendall car scene and represent where I'm originally from. All right guys, so if this is the first time stopping in on the channel, this is my 2010 Camaro SS. I just got it nice and clean earlier this afternoon. Let's go ahead and just start going to the meet because we're about an hour and a half late. Oh God, this is gonna be a fun night. I already can tell. It was an ambulam, don't worry guys. A downshift. Crazy. Well, look who it is. Had to blow out the ears because, you know, douchebag alert. Let's start a little bit of a chain reaction. We're a dying breed, ladies and gentlemen. We are a dying breed. A fun one at that. I always forgot that we have to make the most immediate right. Damn, yo. Wow. Huh? I just stalled the car. What's up, man? Fancy meeting you here.
Hey, we'll talk more.
Yeah, for sure. Professional parking. Let's go. Come on.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
We're chilling.
Pleasure. I believe this is a 1969. This is one of the cleanest ones I've seen, dude. It's awesome.
Hey, I'll catch you next week, though, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Right,
Take care.
Later.
All right, thank you. C2, right? Yeah. Hey, nice to finally see you, man.
Okay, thanks.
Take care. That's what it's about here in Miami, bro. Just saying hi to people, connecting. I mean, this is why, one of the reasons why I come out here, bro, because the community here is so nice. Guys, so it is absolutely popping right now. A 570 just pulled up here, and this is one of the crazy supercars that are here. But look how clean this is, man. The McLaren just has one of the most stylish cars out there, man. I honestly have no idea where to even look at. I mean, it's like literally everywhere. You'll have crazy supercars like this Audi R8 V10, and then you'll have an American supercar almost, but then you'll have something more JDM like the Civic Type R with some heavy modifications, and then you'll have crazy American muscle cars that are heavily modified. This is Deadpool. This is his crazy ZL1 1LE. Guys, this thing right here is just producing an ungodly amount of power, and this thing moves. Hello, sir.
Yo.
Funny seeing you in this side of town.
He's trying to set me to come.
You want to? Yeah? Yeah?
Well, it looks like he wants to buy it back.
That'd be cool.
I told him that, like, when he sold that car, I was so sad. Like, I mean, the McLaren was great.
McLaren was good, yeah.
You don't have to touch anything. It's like perfect the way it is. So what do we got? Deal or no deal?
I mean, I don't know. We're gonna see the finance.
Nissan GTR Alpha, not the finance Alpha. That is a tuning Alpha. And then we got the military up in here. C6 Z06. I love that plate. LF7NA, man.
The guy is TBT here.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Yo, I can't believe that she literally bought this car and then like 4 months later she got rid of it.
She did a header.
She put headers. Dude, that thing was crazy. I'll show you guys some of the clips now. Look at this wrap right here. Look at that interior. Ah, so yummy, dude. Yeah. Man's got jokes. Listen to this idle. This is exactly how they should have came from factory. Oh yeah, dude, it was a really easy repair.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude, simple. Just this hose. Right here, this hose. More Corvettes. These are the brand new, oh, this is the C7 though, but look at this, these modified like headlights in a way, like this cover. Oh! Bro, I wish we made content with that, bro. That thing was...
I have some videos.
Yeah, yo.
060.
Bro, I love this, dude. I would love to review one of these, man. I seriously do not know where to go. Yeah.
The dealership is a candy store.
Yeah, because everything is nice and pristine.
This is like the strip club when you have no money. And nobody can touch it. Alpha Sigma.
Alpha Sigma, this. Rev it, rev it! Alright, look at the AMG GTC.
You forgot the fastest car in this place.
In the fastest car, the fastest daddy sedan?
Yeah.
Let's go look at it, let's go look at it. All I know is that there may be some showdowns happening after the meet, so we might stick around to see it. Alright, so here we have the twin turbo Huracan that, I mean, without a shadow of a doubt, is probably the fastest car here. Look at the tires, the setup here. I mean, hello, like...
It's like a little like toy car.
Yeah. Bro, it's so low. Like, either I'm tall or like this is low. Look at this. For sure, if this thing runs me over, I'm getting sliced in half. Like, and let's go look at the slowest car here. Huh? Beautiful M5. Downpipe stage 1 needs stage 2. That would be something a little interesting. People are going at it. Here we got a 5th generation Camaro. Now that's what I call heat extracting right there. It came out really nicely though. It looks like he's cut it himself and it looks really nice. This was one of the scariest mods I've done. $55 or $54? I have bigger turbos, fucker! Rev it! Damn.
Another one.
Dude, that sounds crazy. I gotta cam my car, dude. So guys, this is the Mustang GT that I'm trying to get my hands on and review and show you guys. We're gonna hear his exhaust setup for the first time. He claims that he hasn't heard it for the first time, so let's see. How'd you like it?
It's pretty good.
Sounds really good.
Yeah.
An ATS, man. These are so nice. I love those, man. He just said that he just saw my video, completely random, like
Just looking at, trying to look for random videos, bro.
and he just pulls up and sees my car here, and it's like, that's scary though. Like low key, I'm like, damn, what the hell?
I'm like, I'm tripping out. I'm sitting there. I'm like, I'm quiet, but inside my head, I'm talking to myself. I'm like, yo, what's going on?
I can't believe he just saw my video and just like out of the complete blue, he found me at the meet here.
Gabe's car is the loudest. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm behind it. Do you have more bass? I don't know, it's just more like
Super bass?
super bass. It propagates more. This is very piercing.
Yeah.
It's more, I don't know, yeah. And he's piercing
What's
too.
do you know the exhaust setup?
Pretty sure. I don't even know if it's stock mufflers. But it's not stock piping, that's
Okay, for sure.
It's not stock piping.
No, this is fully.
Do you have a X pipe?
Okay, so it says headers, a high flow cat, which is whatever,
Yeah.
an X pipe, and then just pipes all the way to the bottom. So it's basically straight pipe.
It's basically the best exhaust you can get for a Camaro.
How was the test drive?
Are you kidding me?
Bro, this is the first guy that's giving me butterflies in a long time.
Wait, what? Butterflies?
I'm losing my boyfriend.
Look at these two colors right here. Voodoo blue. This is definitely not a voodoo blue, but man, it's so clean. Love it, man.
Thank you, bro.
Morning, sir.
I hope you don't have any ideas of leaving.
Nah, I'm gonna bring it here, so it's
AC.
when it's time. Yeah.
Dale, dale.
I want to see right. Yeah, we can see it. Will you run a 60 with me?
I can't. You ain't trying.
Do not rub your shit here.
Yeah.
I'm not.
My bad.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it. We're gonna put this ZL1 1LE with a crap ton of mods. We're gonna list that in the description below so you guys can see what he has done to it. And then of course we're gonna put that up against Tiger Woods BMW M5 with just a JBF Tune and some downpipes.
Yeah, that one.
We just figured out that he's gonna be running Deadpool. Curious to see how that comes out.
Oh boy.
Rev it, please, rev it.
Y'all saw those races, man. That ZL1 1LE moves, man. Just completely obliterated. I don't know why I thought it would be a good idea to actually come out here and film. I thought it would be smart to take some nice cinematic shots, but I end up just screwing myself. Salvation is here, bro. Yo, God bless. Get in, losers. We're going shopping. Yo, chill. All right, so now we're gonna be putting up this one SS Camaro SS versus a Stingray C8. That should be a pretty good one too. Bryce, so tell me.
I was considering an annoyed, but no, I'm like,
What about you? How'd you like it?
I hate to break it to you, but the R8 is nothing compared to that.
Okay guys, so I think that would be a good time to go ahead and conclude this vlog. Boy, was it an exciting one. If you guys found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the algorithm, and it's definitely gonna help out putting the Kendall scene up top. If you guys enjoy my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Helps out tremendously. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. That is gonna be an epic day for me. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos with my Camaro, any of my vlogs, or any of my videos as a whole. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.